It's a rainy, wet day here, a great day for comfort food, so I thought I'd give some holiday tips when it comes to cooking. I'm super excited because we moved back to my hometown, so that means I don't have to cook everything. We're getting wild and crazy in the extended Cybert household, and I'm going to be making mac and cheese for the first time this Thanksgiving, as well as a triple chocolate pumpkin pie, which I always make. So here are a couple pointers if you'll be having holiday meals, as most of us are. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go through all your recipes, everything that you are going to be making. So I'm going to look at my mac and cheese recipe and the triple pumpkin chocolate pie recipe. So I write all the ingredients out, and then I go through and I figure out, okay, I need this much butter. Which, hey, it's Thanksgiving, so it's going to be a lot. And I do that for every ingredient. And then I categorize. I have dairy, canned goods, things of that nature. And so after looking at all the recipes, I know exactly everything I need for my Thanksgiving or holiday meal. Next, I go to my pantry and say, I have pumpkin spice, I have cinnamon, so I don't have to worry about that, and cross it off my list. My next tip is to then try and go when grocery stores aren't as busy. That tends to be in the morning, maybe 10, 11 a.m. You know, you're not going to want to shop on Wednesday or Tuesday evening before Thanksgiving because it'll be kind of super busy. So I try to go when it's on off hours. And then what I do is I break up the recipe. So for example, I'm going to make the pumpkin pie crust 2 days before. And then the day of or the day before, depending on, I will make the pie. And I will make the whipped cream there at the event because I like fresh whipped cream. Same with mac and cheese. I can go ahead and one of the first steps is boil all the pasta and then be ready to roll and assemble the mac and cheese. Another pro tip, if you're going to be the one hosting a holiday meal, set the table a couple days before. Like with meal prep, if there's anything you can do to get a head start, a jump on it a couple days before, don't go running crazy day of trying to set the table. Go ahead and do it now. When you clear your clutter, you can create the life you choose, deserve, and desire.